States of matter.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Dear students, all things in our surrounding, say a table or jar of water or air we breathe, are kind of matter. But do all these have same shape or size? No, they don't. This is because all of them are in different states. A table is in solid state, water is in liquid, and air is in gaseous state.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The solid, liquid, and gases are called as three states of matter. Let us learn in detail about the states of matter in this video. So, how will you identify whether a matter is in solid or liquid or in gaseous state? Solid state. Solids have definite shape, distinct boundaries, and fixed volume. Solids do not have vacant spaces between the particles. Hence, they are very less compressible. Solids have ability to maintain their shape if subjected to external force. They may break due to force, but it becomes difficult to change their shape.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let us now have a look on activity. Liquid state. Liquids do not have definite shape but have fixed volume. As compared to solids, liquids are more compressible due to presence of vacant spaces between the liquid particles. Liquids have ability to change their shape with respect to container. Hence, they are not rigid. Therefore, they are also known as fluids. Let us now have a look on activity. Gaseous state. Gases do not have definite shape or volume. It is interesting to know that, unlike solids and liquids, volume of gases change with respect to container. Gases are highly compressible due to presence of large vacant spaces between gaseous particles. Best example for compressibility of gas is liquefied petroleum gas LPG, which is used for cooking purposes. Here, gas is compressed to liquid and is stored in cooking cylinders. Gases do not possess rigidity. Let us now have a look on activity. Let us discuss effect of diffusion and pressure on states of matter. Diffusion. Solids, liquids, and gases diffuse into liquids.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app.
Rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solid. This is because liquids have more vacant spaces and can move freely in comparison to solids. Interestingly, rate of diffusion of gas into a gas is fastest as compared with rate of diffusion of solids and liquids. This is because gas particles have large amount of free spaces among them and possesses high kinetic energy, which leads to perform faster motion. Pressure. In gaseous state, particles move with high speed. Hence, they collide with each other as well as with the wall of containers. Due to collision of gas on wall of container, pressure is exerted. So, pressure exerted by gas is force exerted by gas particle per unit area on wall of container.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So here we complete our topic. Watch upcoming videos and gain more knowledge.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.